This seafood stock is made from shrimp shells, and it's so easy to make, and it adds lots of flavor to your seafood and shrimp recipes. I use it for gumbo, jambalaya, etouffee, and all kinds of soups. In your Instant Pot, add 4 cups of water. Add the shrimp shells from about 2 pounds of shrimp. What I do is I just collect the shrimp shells from shrimp as I use it and put it in the freezer, and then I just defrost it as needed. You can also put it in frozen. It'll just take a little bit more time to come to pressure. Add some parsley. I add about 1/2 cup. A stick of celery cut into smaller pieces. 1 onion that's been quartered, and a couple of bay leaves. And just push down on the ingredients until they're immersed in the liquid. And once you've done that, you're going to close the Instant Pot and pressure cook for about 30 minutes at high pressure. Do a natural release of pressure. What that means is you let the float valve come down on its own, and once that's done, you can open the lid and strain the liquid through a colander and let it cool down, and then you can refrigerate it and use it for up to 3 days. It stays in the refrigerator, and you can also freeze it if you like.